What about you? 2016 Honda Jazz. In North America, they call these a Honda Fit. And it's just in for a service. This is pretty fresh one. There's only 23,000 miles on it. And, well, we're going to do a service. What I've noticed is this handbrake. There's a lot of play in it, and it comes up to the roof. So this one has disc brakes at the back, so there's a bit of play there. So what I like to do in a service, and the reason why I'm doing this, and the reason why I'm shooting this video here, is when you do a service, and you know the customer isn't really going to see much difference. They take the car away and they think, well, what all has he done here, because there's a lot of sort of mistrust about with mechanics and all. But anyway, what I like to do is you try to do something that the customer can right away see or feel a difference in it, and this is an easy one, and well, anyway, so what we want to do is have it to start the engage after the first 3 clicks, and then sort of like a maximum of 6. At the minute it's going up to about 10, but we'll get rid of this play here. So the handbrake off, wheels are spinning nice and free, and the back, and yeah, nice and clear, not very clean, but in behind the center console there, it should be handy enough, this. So just take this bit here off, and we'll be able to get at the adjuster. So we're going to need some sort of pry tool to get that. So I'll show you a wee tool, and yeah, just on the toolbox. I keep these guys here, and I've 2 of them, and I use these for trim tools. And what they are actually is they're for beekeepers. So apparently they're for scraping the honey or something off a hive or something like that. And I was going to these. You get a good deal on the Amazon store there with these 2 when they're sold in pairs. They're about a tenner. And I was going to cut a hole in it or something, a nick in it, in one of them anyway. So it sort of looks a bit like that. But yeah, I'm bothered, but great pry tool for interior trim because it's nice and solid. We all have the plastic ones. Let me see, like them things there, and well, we need something a bit more rigid. Let's see now. We'll get her in here, give her a bit of a twist. Easy. Give her a bit of a pull in the bottom, maybe. Come on, you boy. Jobs are good. Right, so look, I maybe see our adjuster in there. That's a cable. So let's see if we can get this in the shot here. Oh, there she is. Up in there. Aha. So I think it's a 13 mil or ½ inch or whatever. So we'll get a few turns on it. Just turning this on my hand. 13's a wee bit loose on it, but we'll see. So, believe it or not, this is one of the rarest times, one of the few times, knocks the camera, where I'm actually looking in the camera here and doing this, because I can't really see what I'm doing otherwise. That's it in a wee bit, so we'll give it a wee go here. It's pretty good. 6 clicks. Right, so you can do a wee bit of trial and error there. I was sort of lucky there, I guess. So no clay, nice and taut, and need to check it, like, you know. So with the handbrake off, wheels are spinning freely. Let's see now. One click on the ratchet, still free. 2. Starting to engage the handbrake there on 2. 3. Yeah, definitely starting to engage it now. So that's where I like it to be, roughly where I like to be. So the handbrake's starting to engage at 3 clicks. You know, that's just my personal preference. I don't know whether other people do it like that. So 4, 5, 6, and you're not going to pull it any much tighter than that. That's it. So what did that take? 5 minutes. So, you know, a wee adjustment in the handbrake. The punter will see that right away as soon as he jumps in and drives the car away. The other thing I like to do is loads of screen wash in the screen wash thing here. So as soon as they squirt the squeezers, you know, the whole windscreen will foam up. So that's what I like to do. I like to do something that's a visual for the punter that can feel or see a difference. So, you know, they think they're getting something for their money, and they are getting something for their money, because, you know, even when they do come and pick the car up, I show them the old parts, you know, so I show them what they've got for their money. So that's the way I operate, and I think it's a good way to be. Here's another one for you. Change the pollen filter. So we'll get that out, like so. Airflow down the way. It's probably an original. Don't know. Anyway, Blueprint. Not a sponsor, but pretty good with the Asian stuff, you know. Blueprint. So anyway, this is just an ordinary pollen filter change. You might say, why is he showing us this? Why? Well, here's a tip. Here's a secret. BO spray. See, as soon as I turn the heater on, I turn the fan on, it makes this car smell terrible.
It's nice.
So, okay, many thanks for watching. All the best, and bye bye. Bye bye, Poppy.